Hello everyone. I'm going to explain to you how the Analytics tab works. Now, in the Analytics tab, you'll be able to track all the data and the KPIs that you need to keep a track record of when it comes to your calling campaigns. So here you get to see all the phone calls that you have done, the number of connects, the number of conversations. You get to see the different dates, the number of total calls done, the connected calls, the positive leads, the positive rate percentages. If you have multiple agents for yourself, you can see their names over here, the number of calls that they have done, the number of connects, the connect rate percentages as well. Now, when it comes to the heat map section provides you with the data of the different time slots that you have been calling and also the connection rate percentages for those different time slots. So, what you can do is that you can essentially improvise your calling campaign according to the data that you see over here, because you know when is the best time to make the most number of phone calls and when you're going to get the best connection rate percentages. You can also filter out the time zone as well for different time zones in US and Europe. When it comes to applying different filters, you'll be able to see the heat maps for different contact lists for different agents as well. Now, let me also show you how the coaching section works. So the coaching section provides you with the highlights and the lowlights of your calling campaign. So here you get to see the key insights, the areas for improvements, the recommendations, and also the common objections as well. So if you're like talking to a client and the client mentioned to you something about pricing or maybe a competitor, here you get to see in common objections as pricing and competitor. So what you can do is that you can essentially improve your calling campaigns according to the data that you see over here, because you know what changes you need to make to get better results. You can also like select different coaching insights for the multiple agents that you have for yourself to see their coaching insights and the improvements that you need to do when it comes to your calling campaigns. Also, when it comes to the list performance section, so here you get to see the multiple lists that you have for yourself, the total calls done for each list, the number of connected calls, the connect rate percentages, the conversations, the conversation rate percentages, and also the average duration of those contact lists as well. So that's all about the analytics tab. Thank you so much.